part of reality is so boundless. It has so much potential. There is there is an ever blossoming flower at the center of reality that will provide experience, joy, pleasure, everything, forever. There is an unfolding fractal of happiness, of ecstasy, of bliss. There is a crystal. There is a diamond. The center of all. And it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. We came to Earth to separate ourselves from this greatness, from this prize. I'm not sure why. Maybe we had to. Maybe we chose to. But as God, we separated ourselves from our own incredible, incredible, amazing potential to come to Earth, to suffer and writhe and rot, just to return. Just to return back to the temple of almighty glory again. I am not tripping. I am not on drugs. Absolutely none. Life is the trip. The drug is the hallucination. I'm serious. If I stay around, which I hope I do, because I want to keep making videos, because I want to keep on educating conscious beings about their boundless potential that awaits them. If I can keep on awakening people, that might make me happy. There is no horror. H.P. Lovecraft was wrong. God is great. God is wonderful. And you